I think of drawing as an honest and direct way of making sense of the world. In my work, I try to address the uncanniness of everyday life. I investigate how we live and deal with society. I'm very much interested in the way people respond to each other and behave in public and unconsciously making patterns. Where we are now is named the corner room. In this installation, I covered every piece of fabric, paper and object with a free-handed technique. I drew on everything with pencil, paint. The objects that are in the installation I collected. In this installation, I'm not interested in the perfect weave. It was an opportunity and a challenge to go outside of the confines of my paper. For me, it's a way to leave a path behind. It's a way of talking. This installation cloud is an ongoing project, and it exists of envelopes. For this installation, I collected envelopes for over a decade. I started collecting them because I noticed the patterns in envelopes. And to me, it gave me sort of a challenge to see how many different ones I could collect. And I'm still like collecting, and every time when I find a new one, I'm so excited about it. And for this show, I decided to respond to those patterns and put them together in a cloud. It's an open-ended installation. The Tiny Drawing series is a series of very tiny drawings. And with these drawings, I'm very much interested in how people behave towards each other and in space around them, creating organic forms. And with these tiny drawings, like on a distance, they look like little spots, but if you come up close, there is like personal detail. When I'm drawing, I can see my drawings come alive for a few seconds. And years ago, I started animating my drawings. For this installation, I decided to make an interactive animation. It was the first time that I started working with this, and I animated about 100 tiny figures. And so I drew them all separately. It was interesting to work with this group of little figures and their own personalities. As soon as you step into the projection, you share space with the tiny figures. My work is not about the first impression, but about the second. The second, there's a whole lot more to be seen and found. Every time you'll find something new, and I hope people will connect with their own memories.